Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate user access control with SailPoint, quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this quick tutorial, we will explore how to automate user access control with SailPoint. Start by logging into your SailPoint Identity Now console. Once logged in, navigate to the admin section of the dashboard. From the admin menu, select Access Control. Here, you will see options related to user access management. Click on Policies to view existing policies for access control. If you need a new policy, select the option to create a new policy. Define the parameters of your policy, such as who it applies to and the access rights involved. Next, set up the rules for the policy by specifying conditions for granting access. Save the policy once you are satisfied with the configurations. Now, head to the Workflows section. In Workflows, select Create Workflow for automating access requests. Choose the types of access your workflow will manage. In the workflow settings, incorporate the policy you just created. Define triggers for the workflow, such as user onboarding or role changes. Set approval requirements to ensure proper access control. After completing the workflow setup, save your changes. With the workflow established, navigate to Access Requests in the admin menu. Configure the settings for user access requests. Ensure that users are directed to the correct workflow during the request process. Run a test to verify that the automation works as expected. Monitor the results and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, document the automation process for future reference. This concludes our quick tutorial on automating user access control with SailPoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.